And now we'd like to introduce the Fs3 Locator Tool Kit. What does that mean? Well, it means we're trying to supply a lot of the hand tools and the EV kit that the locator could use while he's on that job site, or trying to gain access to a telephone pedestal, a telephone NID, power cabinet, whatever the case might be. What comes in a locator tool kit? First of all, it's the Fs3 Excavation Verification Kit, the EV kit. This is the kit that has the foldable rulers, foldable mark placards, foldable hit placard, all in one bag, and also it has the whiteboard with each utility color dry erase marker so you can draw out a job site before digging starts or after there's a digging accident. So again, the EV kit's included. Next, a dead blow hammer. Why a dead blow hammer? So if you're trying to hit a handhold cover to get it open, trying to bounce a pedestal door open, this will not reflect back on you. Dead blow means it'll hit, do some percussive force, but it will not bounce back on you. Next tool in the kit is the Fs3 Phh tool. Phh stands for Penta Hex Hook tool. So on a Phh tool, you've got a 9/16 hex socket here. You've got a standard Penta socket on one end, and on the reverse end, you've got a 3/4 inch bolt socket, all linked onto a piece of stainless steel rod with a hook on the end. So now you can reach into that handhold hook and pull that hook open. But this also allows you to get into power pedestals with the Penta socket. This little tool here is very unique to Channel Corporation. It's called the P key. A lot of their pedestals are open and closed with this P key, and not everybody has those when they need them. So it comes in this tool kit. Next item is the long handle, typical can wrench, pedestal wrench, with 7/16 on one end, 3/8 on the other. It takes the full hand to run it, and you can also, if you really need to break something loose, you can put your combination end wrench on there to help turn that stubborn bolt. Here's your security tool with the indent. There's a stud in the middle that goes up inside, and then this allows you to turn that security tool on a NID. Here we go with the combination screwdriver. So we have Phillips, of course, and straight and Torx and a wide variety of ends so that hopefully you'd be able to get into any type of box situation that there might be. Next is the Stubby Can Wrench. Same ends, 7/16 and 3/8, but for getting into those tighter places where this can wrench is too long. And then this is another security tool, both the 5-star and 8-star outline that goes into a certain type of socket to get into certain types of cabinets, all built in to this one kit. Also, a kneeling pad. This sounds kind of funny, but you kneel in front of enough pedestals or by a handholds and you get that one piece of rock right up your kneecap. It's no fun. So these come right in the kit. You can kneel on them even in wet ground conditions. It won't go through the pad and get onto your jeans. So again, protect your knees, safety, reduce injuries. And then everything is packaged in this nice transportable canvas case and ready to go.